ইংলিশ গ্রামার তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। A, E, I, O, U vowel and consonant 21 letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Find the words that start with a vowel and circle them. Orange, circle, and egg circle. Egg circle and orange circle and apple circle. Owl circle. Tomato. Find the words that start with a consonant. Tomato circle. Dog circle. Find all the consonants and vowels in the words. Consonants radio. Consonants are D. Vowels A, I, O. Consonant umbrella M, B, R, L. Vowels U, E, A. Consonant refrigerator R, F, G, T. And vowels E, I, A, O. Alligator. Consonants L, G, T, R. Vowels A, I, O. Noun name things. People, animals, places, things. Boy noun, girl noun, book noun, school noun, bridge noun, apple noun, cat noun, dog noun. Adjective talk more about nouns. Tall boy, short boy, black carrion, white carrion, big school, small school, pretty cat and ugly cat. Underline the adjectives and circle the nouns. Tall girl, tall underline girl, circle. Black cat, black underline cat, circle. Sad dog, sad underline dog, circle. Big school, big underline school, circle. White cat, white underline cat, circle. Ugly dog, ugly underline dog, circle. Singular, plural. Apple, apples, cat, cats, chair, chairs, table, tables, dog, dogs. Baby, babies. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Umbrella, umbrellas. Egg, eggs. Elephant, elephants. Eagle, eagles. Opposite, odd. Opposite. A pretty dog, A ugly dog. A sad dog, A happy dog. A tall dog, A short dog. A white umbrella, A black umbrella. An old umbrella, A new umbrella. A big umbrella, A small umbrella. Fat boys, thin boys. White boys, noisy boys. Fat boys, thin boys. Fast boys, slow boys. Big balls, small balls. Hard balls, soft balls. White balls, black balls. Apples dash the basket. Apples in the basket. The ball dash on the table. The ball on the table. Preposition.
C for football. C
পড়াচ্ছি বাবু।
D for horse. E for eagle. F for frog.
There is a backpack dash the table, under the table. There is a telephone dash the table. On the table, there is a fish dash the fish ball in the fish ball. There is a bird dash the roof on the roof. There is a lamp dash the TV by the TV. There is a window dash the clock over the clock. There is a pizza dash the table on the table. There is a toy dash the table. The toy bear under the table. There is a dish dash the jar by the jar. There is a coin dash the jar in the jar. There is a boy dash the ladder on the ladder. There is a dog dash the ladder under the ladder. Under the ladder. Fill in the blanks. Look at the picture. There dash a dash by the pumpkin. There is a tomato by the pumpkin. There dash two potatoes by the onion. There are two potatoes by the onion. There dash an onion under the tomato. There is an onion under the tomato. There dash a cabbage dash the onion. There is a cabbage under the onion. There dash two potatoes dash the pumpkin. There are two potatoes under the pumpkin. There dash a pumpkin over the potatoes. There is a pumpkin over the potatoes. Choose the right ones. There is or are. There is or are crocodiles in the water. There are crocodiles in the water. There dash ants under the left. There are ants under the left. There dash fishes in the water. There are fishes in the water. There dash a monkey on the tree. There is a monkey on the tree. Choose true or false. Follow the instructions. Pictures. Look at the picture. There is a zebra by the trees. 2. There are white bears in the water. False. There are 2 snakes in the cage. False. How many snakes are there in the cage? There are 3 snakes in the cage. How many bears are there on the rock? There are 2 bears on the rock. How many crocodiles are there in the water? There are 2 crocodiles in the water. There is a key dash dash wallet on the wallet. There dash a cat is a cat dash the blanket under the blanket. There dash a mouse is a mouse dash the flowers by the flowers. There dash yellow bus. There are yellow bus dash the cage in the cage. Dash dash. There are 2 brown bus dash the cage under the cage. There dash 2 bus are. There are 2 bus dash the cat over the cat. Look at the picture. There is an eraser. Dash are erasers. These are erasers. That is a dish. Dash are dishes. Those are dishes. This is a fly. Dash are flies. These are flies. That is a watch. Dash are watches. Those are watches. That is an elephant. Dash are elephants. Those are elephants. That is a yellow leaf. Dash are yellow. That is a yellow leaf. Dash are yellow leaves. Those are yellow leaves. Dash are gloves. These are gloves. Dash are books. Those are books. Dash are skis. These are skis. Dash are pants. Those are pants. Dish dash a fox. This is a fox. Dish dash a dish. This is a dish. Those dash a dishes. Those are a dishes. Dash a fox. These are a fox. Choose the right ones and match. This dash a long pencil. This is a long pencil. These dash long pencils. These TACAC. These are long pencils. That dash a pretty dog. That is a pretty dog. Those dash pretty dogs. Those are pretty dogs. This dash a new doll. This is a new doll. These dash old dolls. These are old dolls. That is a dirty cat. Those are dirty cats. Match the opposites. Catch, follow. Open, close. Speak, listen. Sit, stand, cry, laugh, read, write. তাহলে এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।